Hey everyone, Phil Bork, the old 2-9er here. I'm here in Beaver, Pennsylvania, outside the home of Chris and Heather Uphold. Chris is a longtime member of the Army, 22-year veteran, and between the Penguins and our great partner, 84 Lumber, we are going to give Chris $50,000 worth of renovations. He has no idea we're here. He has no idea that his wife Heather nominated him for this. So we don't know if he's in bed, we don't know if he's in his jammies, but come on, we're gonna go knock on the door on Chris. We're gonna surprise him with this check, $50,000 worth of home renovations from our friends, 84 Lumber. Shh. Chris Uphold, please.
That's me.
Phil Bork.
I know.
From the Pittsburgh Penguins.
I figured why you're here.
Well, your lovely bride, Heather, has nominated you.
Oh boy.
And Pittsburgh Penguins and 84 Lumber want to give you $50,000 in home renovations for your service, your sacrifice, and your bravery to help protect this great country of ours.
Wow. Wow. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Holy cow. Hey, iceberg. Cool.
Oh yeah, and we brought iceberg too. You can't have a party without iceberg, right?
No, absolutely. Would you guys like to come in?
Let's come in and let's talk a little bit.
Sorry, you're kind of standing outside.
All right. Oh man. Wow, this is incredible.
I wasn't expecting anybody, so opening the door up and seeing Phil was crazy. Yeah, I was stunned that he was here, and this is something I never would imagine in a million years. So it was really cool to know that, I know we got projects and there's so many other people who deserve it too, but it's nice.
He deserves this. He sacrificed
Yeah,
and served this country, so I can't express enough words to say thank you.
Yeah.
And our gratitude, because Chris is right. I'm sure there's plenty of other veterans out there that deserve it more than we do. But I'm grateful for this, and I won't waste it, I promise you.
We're really fortunate to be able to work with a company like 84 Lumber, and they've been a great Penguins partner for years. And when COVID hit, we kind of wanted to revamp what we were doing, where we felt like we could directly impact the day-to-day life of someone who is so deserving of this opportunity for all of their selflessness and sacrifice that they've given over the years to our country.
Home for a Hero was a contest that we launched in partnership with the Penguins, where you could nominate a veteran or an active military member. 84 Lumber is supplying $25,000 in the materials. The Pens are supplying the $25,000 in the labor. So they really don't have to worry about anything, and they can fix up their home. And Chris and his family are just so deserving of this opportunity, and we're really excited to be here.